Right, next morning. Big day today, isn't it?
Big day today, mate.
How you feeling, Connor?
I'm it already.
How you feeling, mate?
It's alright. It separates the men from the boys, doesn't it?
Did you have a good sleep?
Not really.
No.
We're gonna lie. Well, it'll be alright. Fine.
That'll be good. It'll be good.
It'll be good. Once we get going, it'll be alright.
Yeah, exactly. It's the sort of thing like when the job is like the scale of the job is so big. So there's 3 of you guys on it today. So this is the top coat. So this comes pre-mixed. So you don't.
Silicone top coat.
So this is right. Why do they pre-mix this and then the bags of base coat come as dry powder?
I just think for sheer weight. I think it's a lot of
Okay.
added weight if you put. They're 25 kilo bags.
Right.
So if you add water to that and mix that, it's going to be like a dead weight. So it's more.
Okay.
I don't know, probably 50 to 75 kilos, isn't it? I think that's why they do it that way.
Yeah. And I guess it also means you get the ratio absolutely right for what they want, so they can then guarantee the product. I'm guessing.
Right,
Yeah. Amazing. And that sticks to pretty much everything, right? Hence why you've like you've taped up.
Anything.
Yeah.
It's just we've covered everything. So
Yeah.
it just once it sticks, it comes off, but it's a push.
And the drill's knackered.
It's been out in the rain a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon Silverline had it, mate.
Yeah. We'll get there.
All right, mate. I'll catch you in a bit.
No worries, mate. It ain't a porno film, is it?
No, it's not a porno. It's YouTube.
Oh.
Close. It's close.
Oh shit! I was hoping you were being a bit of you porn or something.
Look at this.
Steve, have you got a wet brush up here? One down, mate. I think I have one downstairs here. Just want to click on there and get some. Yeah.
You can really see the difference, can't you, between the bit that you've just flattened out and these bits where you first troweled it on.
That's what I've just done.
You've just done that, so that's wet, and this stuff.
Yeah, this is just going off just slightly.
That's amazing.
Trailing up now.
Yeah. God, it really comes out smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Goes from that to that. Right, you've put this on. How long ago did you put that on, and how long will it be before you then rub it down?
I'll put that on about 2-3 minutes ago.
Right.
I'll leave that for about 10 minutes or something.
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
So I actually know myself and give it a little rub.
Ah, so you give it a rub, you kind of feel the pull on it, or feel the texture.
Try and feel it there, then I'll know then.
Yeah.
Probably about 10 minutes. I won't leave it too long.
So how does it feel knowing that both of you knowing that your jobs are never going to be replaced by robots?
Well,
The rest of the world's getting taken over by computers, aren't we?
I suppose that is good.
you never know, though, sir.
You never know.
You never know. I don't think I'll be on this earth by the time they do that. Though.
You never know.
Well,
You
that's
never
right,
know.
yeah. That's right. Yeah.
It's just a plastic float that you just to rub it down with.
It's paint with aggregate in it. That's it.
Oh, I see.
So it's exactly the same as painting your house, but you're doing it with a trowel.
Yeah.
So, but it's not like that, is it? Obviously.
Yeah.
It's as close as I can get to it.
I've got to go over this again with a proper light one, I reckon.
No, I brought it down.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, mate.
Start here, yeah? Scooch behind you, mate. Cheers. So what are you doing now, Connor? What's with the watering?
Keeping it aligned, so when we go downstairs, then it all goes into one.
Ah, it blends it better, does it?
Yeah.
Interesting. Is that because the wall sucks some of the moisture out and it dries out, so if you put water there, then it blends the line?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, I can understand that. Well, you guys are flying.
Yeah, going some.
That match for over, it's still else, mate. That match for over it. No.
So Albert, let me guess, are you following them behind doing the rub down while they then head down and...
Yeah.
So you're chasing them, right?
Yeah. I'll get rid of the line, see?
Yeah. So is it coming on all right? You happy?
Lovely. It's really, really good. Come down this end, you see.
All right, mate, yeah. It's almost a problem, right? I sometimes can't even focus because it's so flat. Yeah. Mate, that is absolutely crisp.
Lovely, isn't
It can barely focus, actually. I mean, it's nice. It's got that stippled texture, so it is quite nice.
Yeah.
But it's so flat. God, that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is absolutely amazing. That is crisp. It's amazing because all those streaks that you have on the base coat, just gone. You just can't see them. That is so smooth. Yeah, it's funny. You can see the lines when they're troweling it on, and then that rub down.
Where'd you go? Where'd you get if you could throw your York underneath it, you won't get it.
Right, so it's just after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Just stopped for lunch. That is looking absolutely beautiful. All in the reveals of the windows. It's looking fantastic. It's looking really nice, mate.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah. That's lovely. That is really very nice. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt the video. Had a bit of an issue. I filmed 4 days worth of footage and lost the entire lot, which is an absolute nightmare. Part of that footage was the rest and the finishing of all of this render. I ended up being on the tools. We had a bit of a mare actually. Connor got really ill and couldn't come in and make it, and so I had to take a week off work and jump on the tools with Albert, and kind of tutored me, taught me, and I was an apprentice for a week and did it, and it came out really well. I'm really pleased with it, but I don't have any of the footage, so I'm going to give you a very quick walk around now, show you what we achieved, show you how it's come out, and talk about next steps and what's coming up. So I'm going to flip you around and show you what we did. So we've got an ultra smooth finish here. Oh yeah, and part of the other work that I did is I did all of my guttering the whole way along, redid all of this. I reattached this BT cable here, squared this off. I did loads. Like I said, 4 days worth of filming gone and lost. That freehand up there, I don't know if you can see that, but that came out really nice. Really lovely job up there. I still have a bit of cleaning up to do. The scaffolding's all come down, but it is all cleaned up really nicely. The other thing I've done is I've put lights on the outside, wired all of these up. These are actually on a PIR. This blows in the wind and then triggers this, which is a bit of a pain, but as I walk down you'll then see these all switching on. But you can see it's got this kind of stipply texture, but over the view you can see it's really very smooth. The other thing I did while I had the scaffolding up is I went round and I put these external baffles on. These are basically the vents, so we've got an extractor fan coming out here and an extractor fan coming out there, but they're baffles that allow the air to flow out of it but don't allow too much wind in. A little bit, but not too much. But this should come on. There we go. So flickering because it's a LED, but then I've reattached all of this guttering up here, which wasn't my best work to be honest, but when I did it I had COVID and I had to get it all on, so it's a bit wonky. I'm not especially happy with it. I need to tidy it up a little bit. So that's that, and this one should come on. Yep. So that's that. And these are around the back. This is around the back of the house. Coming up here. Beautifully squared off. Looks really nice. That looks like there's a rippled texture there, but it's actually the sun shining through the trees here. That is perfectly smooth and flat. The only bit that we haven't done, and again this is my neighbour's property here, but we haven't come round here just yet. We still need to do that, but you can see there's another baffle up there for the extractor vent, for the extractor fan. So it's come out really nicely, and then let me see if I can pan back here. You can't really see, but that up there is really nice and smooth, and it obviously goes the whole way up on the gable end too. So it's come out beautifully. It's come out really, really nicely. Albert did a phenomenal job. He's really very, very good at what he does. So if you're in southeast London and you need some rendering done, get in touch with him. His contact details are in the description below, and if you haven't seen video 1, I'll put it up here. Contact details are in there. And actually, if you haven't seen video number 2 that shows the process, what we did, the mesh and scratch down, all the rest of that, I'll post that video up here. You can take a look at that and you'll see what the outcome is. But I'm really very happy with it. Nice crisp edges and corners. Looks lovely. So I hope you found that whole series, the series of 3 videos, helpful, useful, enjoyable. If you did, please do like, comment, subscribe. All of that makes a big difference. The channel, you know, it's growing. We have so much more that we need to do here. I'm just in the kind of kitchen area, and you know, we're starting to get kind of nice things up like pictures and that lot, but we still have all of this to glaze and sort out. If you want to send me £3,000 to glaze that, please do. And coming up in a future video is this bathroom, which you will see very soon. Just a sneak peek. Again, part of the 4 days worth of footage that I lost was the full decoration of that. My wife and I decorated the whole thing. So the video for that will pick up after the decoration is done, and for the installation of the actual bath suite there. So complete nightmare losing all that footage. But there we go. Also, we still haven't done anything more with this, but this is coming up fairly soon. So if I go like this, you can see we still have all of this to clear off, and I need to finish framing that out and all the rest of it. So that's going to be fun. And then the completion of this bedroom and ensuite here as well, along with renovating that bathroom there. So there's still loads to stick around for. And yeah, hope you're enjoying the journey. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video.